Spring is here, summer is not far away, which is why this week we discovered some interesting topics, which is, I'll show you in a minute. We have a weekly recap of what we learned this week. Let's see. We learned ananas, pineapple. We learned lobya, which is bean, green bean, kidney beans, any beans. We learned how to say bibər. Same goes here. Bibər goes for any type of pepper. Now, we learned how to say cabbage, which is kələm. We learned how to say qarpız, watermelon. And same goes for yemiş, all kind of melons, cantaloupe, muskmelon. And of course, we learned how to say Badımcan, which is British English aubergine or American English eggplant. Now, some fun uses, eh? If pizza had feelings, it would forgive the ananas. I don't know if Italians would. Add Bibär, because your life clearly needs some more drama. Yep. My plants have more layers than a Kələm, and just as many tears. My summer productivity hack is simple: deadlines and Qarpız. Or, I don't hold grudges, I grill them like Badımcan. Now, quiz time. Which word means cabbage? Drop in the comments below if you know the answer. Don't worry about some perfect letters. Just type in something close by. All right? Make sure to come back next week because we'll be discovering another topic. And coming back every week, every day is, yes, consistency, which also will bring you fluency. Now, make sure to check masterazerbaijani.com. I also have, I know I said it many times, an app if you're interested in learning deeper. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new week and brand new topic. Cheers.